Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn a normal photo of you and your partner into a super stylish couple shot inside a modern elevator. And here we will be using Google newest tool, Gemini with Nano, which lets you edit photos instantly just by typing a prompt. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it on your browser or open it through app. And then make sure you are logged in with your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image, this one. Or you can also tap on tools icons and then create images like this. This is the newest feature that makes editing so quick and easy. Next, just upload a picture of you and your partner. Don't worry if it's just a casual photo. You will see how the AI completely transforms it into something cinematic. Next, just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just upload your photo like this. Now comes the fun part. Let's writing a prompt. Before I have already prepared one that works really well, like this. You can copy this prompt directly or you can also tweak it to match your own vibe. Like for example, change the outfit and then the background, and then you can also tweak the overall mood and many more. Just be creative. So I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it, and when you're done just tap on generate. And okay, like this. Just look at this, it looks like a magazine cover with the reflective elevator walls, give it a high fashion aesthetic, and the matching maroon outfits make the couple shots look super classy and modern. And okay, that's it. In just a few minutes, you have got a stunning couple photo with a cool elevator background. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.